Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Courtesy of Kane's Auto in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have their 2013 Hyundai Elantra GT with the manual transmission. This one has 67,000 miles on it. Grasshopper? Yep. And honestly, this thing is a riot to drive. Super reminiscent of my first car, which was a Kia Spectra 5 with the 5-speed. Except that one had the 2-liter. This one's a 1.8. Both naturally aspirated. Awesome. Let's take this thing out on the road. This thing would be absolutely perfect for a first car. Somebody looking for a little bit of fun. That's why I bought my Kia Spectra. Matter of fact, it had the exact same amount of miles on it. Honestly, in today's market, this is my first car. That is pretty cool to think about. Come on, man. Bad at all. The gearing is pretty much identical. Well, no, let me see. Yeah, in 5th gear it'd be pretty close to what it was. This thing's on Michelin's, so let's see how it handles. Well, the lightweight Nimble chassis. What a fun car. Honestly, this thing is a perfect entry-level starter car, especially if you want to learn how to drive manual. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.